This type of question is going to show up twice on the December Digital SAT, and it might even show up exactly how it seems here because College Board loves copy-pasting practice questions onto the real test. If you can't figure out a question like this, you're in really, really bad shape because the test loves to look at the conjunction of two independent clauses. So let's see if you can do it with me, and don't forget to hit that follow button because I post every day to help you crush the SAT and the ACT. This is the bread and butter of the Digital SAT. You've got to get a question like this right on the exam in order to do well on the test, because this concept is repeated over and over and over again. Let's take a look at question number 26. Hegra is an archaeological site in present-day Saudi Arabia. It was the second largest city of the Nabatean Kingdom, 4th century BCE to 1st century CE. There's parentheses there because it's non-essential information. Archaeologist Layla Nameh recently traveled to Hegra to study its ancient tombs built into the rocky outcrops of a vast desert. These burial chambers seem to blend seamlessly with nature. Now, if I'm just reading it out loud, this is kind of what I'm thinking. She recently traveled to Hegra to study its ancient tombs built into the rocky outcrops. That makes a lot of sense to me. You have to read all the way through the question. We have a comma right here. And this comma is before an independent clause. These burial chambers seem to blend seamlessly with nature. But we also have an independent clause up front. Archaeologist Layla, as a subject, recently traveled to Hegra to study its ancient tombs is also an independent clause, which means I have two independent clauses in the same sentence. Now, how do I separate two independent clauses? Period could work. Semicolon could work. Comma fanboys could work. Sometimes a dash or a colon as well. D has nothing. C has just a fanboys. B is just a comma. And A is the only one. Now, I want you to listen really closely here, because if you've been watching my videos for a while, you've probably recognized a pattern. Period or full stop answer choice, comma but no fanboys, fanboys but no comma, and nothing. That's often to tell that the question may be about two independent clauses. It won't always work. In fact, it's not even 90% accurate, but it's a great way to tell yourself, I need to be looking for independent clauses. Great work and happy studying.